Let's celebrate the spirit of Christmas with this wonderful recipe that I'm going to show you. This is dry fruit Christmas buns. Let's get started and check out the recipe. Dissolve about 7 grams of active dry yeast with 1/4 cup of warm water. For the Christmas buns, first we're going to make the dough. For this, take 500 grams of Maida or all-purpose flour. To this, add half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar. Just give it a quick mix. Make a well in the center, add the dissolved yeast. Next, add 1 egg. To this, add 50 grams of softened butter. Next, add 300 ml of milk. Knead the dough well for about 10 minutes until it's no more sticky and it's all well combined. Grease the dough with a little oil. Rest the dough for about 2 hours at room temperature. After 2 hours, you can see the dough has doubled in size. It's been proofing for 2 hours. So remove the dough from the bowl, place it on a larger surface, punch it down, dust it with a little flour, and knead it for about 10 minutes. Roll out the dough to a rectangle shape. Spread unsalted butter at room temperature onto the flattened surface of the dough. Next, I'm going to sprinkle some sugar. Now, I'm using white granulated sugar. You can either use brown sugar or white sugar for this. Now, sprinkle some cinnamon powder. I have a combination of dry fruits like raisins, chopped apricots, tutti frutti. You can use cranberries or any other dry fruits of your choice. I'm also using some sliced almonds. Once you've layered all the dry fruits, gently roll in the dough. Make sure it's not too loose. Next step is to slice the roll. Now I'm going to slice it to about 1.5 inch thickness. You can slice it according to your preference. If you'd like it a little thinner, you can go a little thinner. After slicing the roll, I'm going to place the buns onto a baking tray lined with butter paper or parchment paper. Cover it with a moist cloth and leave it aside for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, remove the moist cloth. I'm going to make a quick egg wash to apply on the buns. Crack open an egg, add 1 tablespoon of milk and whisk it together. Just dab a little bit of the egg mixture. Bake the buns at 180 degrees for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, you can see the buns have a lovely golden brown color to them. They are baked beautifully. Now I'm going to make a simple sugar glaze for the buns. For this, I've taken about 100 grams of icing sugar. Grate some lemon zest into the icing sugar. To this, add 2 tablespoons of milk. the buns and add the sugar glaze on top. Serve it fresh and warm. You can store these buns in an airtight container and enjoy them whenever you please. So we've seen this absolutely delicious dry fruit Christmas buns. They are so delectable that I can actually get a bite into it. So do try this recipe and enjoy your Christmas. Wish you all a very Merry Christmas. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on Amazon and 21 Frame.